Hello, Metrocooler. Do you want to take your LinkedIn to the next level? Well, then you're in luck. We introduced to you a secret weapon, LinkedIn Creator Mode. What is this creator mode about? Well, creator mode is one of the newest features on LinkedIn to increase reach and influence of content creators on the social network. And now comes the good part, the rewards you get for activating it. If you activate it, the follow becomes the main action of your profile, and what is shown is the number of followers. The best thing about this, if someone sends you a connection request, they will also follow you while waiting for your response. Even if you decline their invitation, your post will follow. So you no longer need to have an infinite network of contacts for your content to reach thousands of users. In addition, your posts have earned the first place on your profile page, standing out over the rest of the blocks. Another benefit is that you can display the topics you post about on your profile timeline in the form of hashtags. Take advantage of it to segment your audience well and reach your audience easily. And if that wasn't enough, the creator mode gives you access to exclusive tools for creators such as LinkedIn Live to go live on the network, or the tool to create a newsletter directly from LinkedIn. Now that you know about all the doors that this mode opens for you, you will be looking forward to how to activate it. So let's get into it. Go to your LinkedIn profile and scroll down until you reach resources. Click creator mode. In the pop-up window, click on next. Add the topics you post the most about and want to be found for, and click activate. If you want to change them later, you can do it without a problem. And voila, you're ready to make a place for yourself as a creator on LinkedIn. Look, to be a LinkedIn creator, you need to keep your profile active with reoccurring posts. So we're going to tell you the trick to keep a steady publishing pace effortlessly. Content planning with Metricool. Schedule your next post and let them self-publish, and spend the time you earn to keep creating content that makes you shine on LinkedIn. Have you tried LinkedIn Creator Mode yet? Tell us your experience in the comments, and as you know, if you have any questions, shoot without fear. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any news about marketing and social media. Until the next video, Metrocooler.